try to stand him up on his legs?
Yeah, hi everyone. We found a bluebird. I researched the name of the bird and it's called jaybird. It's very beautiful bird. Color, look at the color. It's brown. We found it on the ground and it's not. It can't stand up. I wonder why. Wonder why this bird can't stand up, Gobs. I wonder what happened to this bird. So we tried to feed and put water. So hopefully this bird will survive. It's a pretty color. Hi, birdie. Get well soon. Have some food. Come on, have some food. Have some food. I tried to stand it up, but I don't know why. Come on. Maybe he'll just gonna stand up its own when once it will heal. So hopefully, hey birdie, get well soon.
Yes.
Alright, bye everybody. See you, birdie.